Hi there, I'm Justin Pritchard for Driving.ca, and this lazy guy right here is named Ghost. I was hoping that he was going to help me do the intro for this video, but apparently we're disturbing his nap time. So it's my job to tell you that coming right up, we're going to take you on a different sort of test drive. I want to challenge this high-performing Tineco S12 Pro cordless vacuum with some real-world testing on dog hair and dog dirt. And later I'll show you how well it works in the back of this Mazda CX-5, which is a taxi for up to 6 stunt dogs on a daily basis, and it hasn't been cleaned in over a year. The S12 Pro EX is a sort of sports vacuum. It's small and light and high-tech and very powerful, which you'll see in a moment. And though it's designed for your home, I want to show you a few of the specific features and attributes that make this a very feasible solution if you're a dog owner wanting to run a single vacuum for both your house and your vehicle. If that's your plan, a few important features and functions matter, and I'll be showing you what those are and how they work. In one corner, we've got Ghost, my golden retriever and a literal dog hair factory, as well as Koenig, one of the stunt dogs that belongs to my friends Dustin and Taylor.
Hey, Taylor.
Hi.
Hi, Dustin.
Along with a few of his friends, Koenig has been regularly contributing dog hair and sand to the back of their CX-5 for the past 18 months or so. In the other corner, it's the S12 Pro EX with 145 watts of suction power driven by a 2500 mAh battery pack. You get 600 cc's of dust and dirt capacity, pre-filter system, full HEPA filtration, and a sleek curb weight of just 6.6 pounds. Even with the swappable power heads attached, you can totally one-hand this thing. Lift it into the air, it's very light and agile. My tester's finished in metallic gray and white with some chrome and gloss accenting, and it features an LED lighting system. This unit is a rolling collection of the latest in vacuum design and tech, including a sensor that counts and measures what's entering the dustbin in real time to adjust suction power as you go. The direct drive brush roll has its motor mounted directly inside of the roller to save space, weight, and complexity. That means no belt drive, which is quieter, lighter, and more reliable. This design feature also enables stronger edge-to-edge cleaning performance. Various attachments let you set this up for whatever job's at hand. If you're just sucking up dust and sand from a messy car, maybe before a photo shoot. In my case, the extension hose and brush work well. Just carry this out to the car, turn it on, run the suction power to max, and you've got performance that I'd tell you is on par with a solid plug-in vacuum, but without the plugging in and lugging around. You can wall mount the entire setup, and the accessories and 2 batteries are included, so you just go to your vacuum, set it up for the job, and when you're done, just hang it back up to recharge and it's ready for next time. Maybe with the direct drive power head attached. That's your best weapon against worked-in dog hair. Around the house, this thing feels and sounds like it is absolutely ripping the pet hair out of my carpets. The performance relative to the size and weight are delightful, and they're also the first key reason I think this vacuum will do a nice job transitioning from dog hair decontamination in the house to dog hair decontamination in the car. See, the more power the better, and until I tried this vacuum I just hadn't found a cordless that I thought had enough sucking power to be any good in the car, so I've never bothered. I would tell you this feels like you're working with a powerful corded vacuum cleaner, but it's so much smaller and more portable. If you've never tried a high-end cordless vacuum before, I think you'll be very pleasantly surprised by how much suction you can get from such a little package. The other important attribute is the resistance to dog hair tangling and strangling the brush roll, which reduces performance and sometimes very quickly if you don't have a brush specifically designed to resist pet hair wrapping. There's little need for scissors or maintenance here. The shape of the brush roll bristle leaves lots of open space. That's less surface area for dog hair to attach to. The high-powered suction also helps remove that hair before it gets a chance to tangle. So even after plenty of use, there are just a few hairs wrapped up in here and they're easy to deal with. So if you're considering a vacuum like this for the house or the car, the high performance is very important, and so is the Tangle-Free Design of the brush roll. And as a pet owner, I think these are the 2 areas you need to pay the most attention to. If you're driving a crossover SUV or wagon, or otherwise something with a flat and open cargo space and you'd like to keep that area clean, this is the fastest way to do it. Here's a look at the powerhead and accessories in action in the back of a Nissan Rogue that Ghost and I spent a long weekend at the beach with. Here's the dog taxi CX-5.
So CX-5, what year is this?
2019.
And you guys have how many dogs in and out of this thing every day?
4 to 6,
And has this ever been cleaned or vacuumed before?
maybe half.
Maybe half. All right, so that'll be a good test for our sports vacuum. You can actually hear it ramping up the power. It is going to need a couple of passes, but look at that, eh? That's it. Oh, you want to see something cool? So you can adjust the speed by just tapping this, but if your hands are full, you just go like, or wait, there we go. And turn it up with your chin. Yeah, so like max power, it's getting most of it. It's having some trouble with the edges. And you're not gonna be able to maneuver this like super well. Okay, let's see how it follows the edge here. Like actually not bad. We'll have to do some finishing work here, I think, but. It even turns its engine speed up when it detects like heavier dirt automatically. You can see here after vacuuming out all that hair, look, there's almost nothing. Normally that dog hair, that amount of dog hair would just strangle mine, and this has like a little bit caught in there, but nothing much, so.
That's pretty good.
I'm impressed.
And though this is a worst-case scenario cleaning job, it does show the benefits of the latest in high performance and design from the world of cordless vacuums, and how that can make cleaning easier and even a bit of fun.
And again, almost no tangling even after all that hair, so cool.
As with any high-end product, there's a price to pay for this level of performance. The Tineco S12 Pro EX, with comprehensive accessory kit and 2 removable batteries, is priced at $700 US and 800 Canadian dollars. What's with them today? Ghost, come say hi. Say hi to your friends, pal. Yeah, there they are. You come say hi? Hey? You just want to look for squirrels, huh? Is there a squirrel?